I'm going to use my wet Envirocloth, wet with just water, to clean the inside of my windshield. I have never cleaned the inside of my windshield so easily as I can with Norwex, and it cleans even in full sun, streak-free, and beautiful. Now I will use my dry window cloth to dry it to a streak-free, beautiful shine. These two cloths would be worth every single penny if they only just cleaned a windshield, in my opinion. But now we're going to take that same Envirocloth and we're going to start cleaning everything else. We're going to start with our mirror and now dry it to a streak-free shine. Look at how beautiful and shiny that mirror is every time. And now we'll clean with the wet Envirocloth the dash, the console, all the surfaces of the car, and shine up any parts that could be shiny with the window cloth. And not only do our cloths clean our surfaces, but our Norwex microfiber removes up to 99% of bacteria from surfaces with just water alone when proper use and care are followed. Now we'll move into the back seat where my dogs ride. Oh my gosh, this window is so covered with dog nose and slobber. It's just crazy dirty. So I'm going to take that same wet Envirocloth I cleaned the front with and clean this window and get all of that dog slobber off. Some of it I obviously have to give a little scrub to because it's pretty thick, but it came off just with my cloth and water. Let's take a look. Yep, all of the nose prints and slobber are gone. Now we will take our dry window cloth from what I cleaned my windshield with or shined up my windshield with, and I'm going to shine up this window so it is clean for the time being. And there it is, all shiny and clean. Okay, Grace and Poe, the car's all clean. Are you gonna keep it clean? Are you, Poe? What about you, Grace? Are you gonna keep the car clean?